Mpho expects 150k for her lobola, even though she already has Madi Hussein. Mulula thinks she deserves 17k, and Saul's family is not willing to pay anything more than 50k. Palisa and Nkosi take things to the next level. Faith is happy for them, but Ona is not impressed at all. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on House of Swede. So Nkosi no Palisa had a moment. Nkosi declared his love, saying that he's got feelings for Palisa and wants to give this whole thing a try. Palisa is also happy because she's been waiting for this moment. Now they decide whether they're going to date, and Palisa wants to go public and tell her friends and stuff. But Nkosi says maybe they need to keep things between them and not tell people. And Palisa is feeling a bit official, but I young fisher in keep a secret. That's no man, I wouldn't do that. And then Faith catches Nkosi walking in the middle of the night, or walk of shame, I don't know what to call it, and says, "Ooh, Pina." He's like, you know what? I'm not going to entertain this. I'm sticking to my story with Njebenge Kondao. Jige Palisa is bringing lunch to Nkosi M17. Faith is like, ooh. Faith can see what's going on already and she's happy about it. Ona is still in the dark. Jige now they're kissing in Nkosi's office. And Ona catches them kissing and she was not happy at all. She was not impressed at all because, mind you, Ona is Shoki's friend, or was Shoki's friend. So, and she never liked the fact that Nkosi cheated on Shoki with Palisa. So she's not happy about this union yabo. She was fine with them as friends, but this whole thing that they're doing now, she doesn't like it at all. She's probably just going to throw a fit. And also because Nkosi did not tell her, she had to come and catch them and find out like this. Now, Maria is going on and on. They saying that she won't get her mother the cow for the mommy because Wanaha is uhafu no because already Wanaha na. Now she says she wants Isaac to milk them during the global negotiations. Now Isaac is like, whatever you want, rat. Itloba milk, itloba la farm after they spare the goat, the donkey, everything. Now the family is discussing her. What do we do? How much do you think we should charge them? But Wabaha Bawosok. Hey, Molife are 17k. How na 17k are okay 17.5. But Molife 500. And then Mampa is like, no man, 150k. Actually I want 160. But Isaac's like, you already have a child and we look at that. So Mampa thinks they can just deduct 10k and make it 150. Zhuang girl, Zhuang, such a lot of money. And Maria is not impressed with this whole thing. No palliates as a parent because Mampo already has a child. So what they're implying is that palliates. Mampo is very established. She's successful. She's got a career. So she deserves as much as money as they can pay for her lobola. Now Mzala is bruised because Soka chose Sandile to be her best man, to be his best man instead of him. And he says, like they grew up together and all that. But Malfi is like, it's not about that. When I ask what you can disappear, Namaring. And then Imdeni Gasoga arrived, Omalume, and they said that Ukoko said they mustn't pay anything over 50k. Also, like the most important thing is that if I can get hang 50k, I'd be excited too. But I don't think Usoga wants to put that limit Kubo. But Zala then brings it to the table. And call Zala Wamlo Soga decided to make Sunday his best man instead of me. But Sumdin Usandile tries to intervene, saying Usoge, because the family is like, there's no way, family blood is blood, it's a family thing. Usandile cannot be best man. Usandile is like, let's Soga decide who he wants a best man to be. Umshadwak, hey, what Kasumdin. So like, hey, when a woman, this is a family matter. Isaac also bought Mulife a nice gifts, like some beverage, alcohol. To say thank him because since he told him good Umlefe has been holding the fort once while he was in prison and that he never gave up on him. He kept telling people because he believes in Isaac and his innocence and he kept going. So Isaac was just showing his appreciation supported how it was like, I'm really, really grateful for it. And Mulife is all going on and on now. and continue man leadership so that Isaac becomes the Kaswali he deserves to be. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.